In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size and colors in GoDaddy. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct dashboard, especially if you manage more than one product or website. This will help you avoid making changes to the wrong site. From there, click on your profile. This is where you can access your account options and navigate to the website you want to update. After opening that area, select the specific website you want to work on. If you have multiple websites in your account, be careful to choose the correct one before moving forward. Next, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can make visual changes to your site without needing to code anything manually. The editor is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're a beginner, you should be able to follow along comfortably. Once the editor opens, click on Website. In this section, you'll be able to adjust your site's design settings, including font size and color options. This is the area where you can personalize the overall look and feel of your website to better match your brand, style, or preference. Now, feel free to change the font size and colors. Simply select the font style and color that you prefer. As you make changes, pay attention to how your text looks on the page. Try to choose font sizes that are easy to read and colors that stand out clearly against the background. This can make a big difference in how professional and user-friendly your website feels. If you're updating headings, body text, or accent colors, it's a good idea to keep your choices consistent throughout the site. Consistency helps your website look polished and organized. Also, avoid using colors that make the text difficult to read, since readability is one of the most important parts of a good website design. Once you're happy with your changes, click Publish. This step is important because your edits will not appear live on your website until you publish them. After publishing, your updated font sizes and colors should be visible to your visitors. And that's it. That's how to change font size and colors in GoDaddy. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to quickly refresh the look of your website and make it more visually appealing.